Hello everyone. I've always been touched by the amazing comments I've received on Pure 101, a YouTube channel I started during COVID-19 several years ago. Let's go back, let's take a moment. COVID-19, we were all stuck at home. You were stuck, I was stuck, we were all stuck. And I wanted to use my time productively. So I thought of two ways of doing this. The first way was teaching what I knew. Well, I work within the PR industry and I wanted to teach some of the skills I had learned along the way. And the second thing I wanted to do was learn a new skill. What was the new skill? Content creation for social media channels like Instagram and YouTube. Well, that was a few years ago, and ever since then, whenever I've met someone and they've had nice things to say about Pure 101, I've always been reminded as to why I started the channel in the first place. Now, without further ado, I'm announcing a second wave of Pure 101 videos. I hope you'll enjoy watching them as much as I've enjoyed making them, and I hope that it brings our PR industry, a small one as it is, just a little bit closer. This is Pure 101.